Hey guys, welcome back. Well, not really, welcome back. Today we're gonna be playing the oldest game I just got hit by a car. Oh well. Car scout. Gotta be kidding. Welcome back. Welcome to my first YouTube video. It's not gonna be like really good. It's not gonna get a good video, it's just to start. Anyway, welcome. So I think on my channel I might be doing lots of tornado games and stuff like CLAR or you know what I mean. Like good tornado games, probably Twisted, and my game's freaking out because I pressed a button which I did not click. Oh well. And might play it. Lots of kind of games like Twisted. Twisted is really good. I love that game. And it seems like only a 5 have come through here. Don't know what happened. Oh. That. Okay. Oh well. Okay, so. Oh god. There's gonna be a bunch of debris. So, So anyway. So, this is gonna take a bit. I know the story, but it's lovely. So anyways, so we're gonna, get started on my first video of this game. We'll do more in the future. And someone's restored power, that's good. Finally. Also, find it's daytime rather than just pitch black, where you can't see like 1 foot in front of you. No, literally, you can't see anything in front of you. Don't know why someone's being rude. Oh well. Okay. So, don't know really know what to do. We have to go and chase Storm, but the problem is that what's the point? Because it's just gonna destroy everything, and I'm stuck. And I'm gonna get a different car. I'm gonna sprint here. World's strongest vehicle, and it's crushing my FPS. Yay! Good time for soul frame rates. Oh well. So anyway, so yeah, so this is going to be a short video or long. I don't know. I am not sure. And I am the one who's traveled more miles than everyone else in this server. I think I've traveled more miles than everyone else in this game. I don't know. I'm not sure. Because I think in the old times I used to play this game so much that I used to get up to 855.4 miles. On my iPad? Yeah. I was trying to watch. Yeah, I know I was trying to watch. Rotation! Oh, that's a good sign for death. That's a good sign for people going to get hit by a tornado and die or something. News, this one I'll watch is affected. I don't know. News, rotation found. Luckily, you know. Rotation found. I don't know if that spells it. Yep, got it wrong. It's meant to be a T. Well, it's so close. My PC was slow. Of course it's slow. And, oh god, it's spinning faster. faster and faster. I'm just gonna keep chat open. Oh well. So I think it means when it's being faster, it's getting ready to spawn a tornado. Yep. Funnel. Oh, I just saw it. I see. Oh, it just touched down in front of me. Okay, guys, there's a tornado. And I'm going to intercept it in just a second. What can possibly go wrong? So it's 65. Why is this person saying shut up? There you go, that'll fix him. And look, 70 miles per hour. Oh. I'm gonna anchor. Right. No, further. Oh. 81 miles per hour. That is pretty good. So that was a pretty good intercept. Or oh, are you that dumb? You see me coming and then you just hit me in the back. God's sake. Oh god. You are not. You're not. Anchor. Replaced. Here we go. Another probe set in just a second. Oh yes. Oh, that spiked up really fast. Okay, we're in the compensation funnel. 90. 90s. 87. I could have died. Sorry, I pressed it. Oh, that just grew. Okay, I'm not gonna go into it because that grew so fast. And my car's in turn. Thank you. Yep. Okay, there we go. It hit the hotels. You mean apartments? Oh no. What do I do? What do we do? It's heading right for Wakefield, actually. This is going to be very bad. You idiot! You imbecile! Oh! Okay. Anchor. Oh, we need to be anchored, otherwise death. Oh! Someone's getting tossed around. Wakefield is getting hit. 101. So it's getting stronger. What's it looking like? 104. I got 101. Actually, no, it hit 107. Actually, that's weird. Now everyone is in Tiv 2. Oh no. It's gonna bounce off this and come straight at me. I think this is gonna be bad. I might head into the... Oh god. Please come say. Please don't. Like what I said, is coming. Actually, no, it's not bad. Okay, gonna miss. Anchor. No. Alanka, go. That's too bad. I'm not sticking around. No. That just grew. That just grew in front of me. Oh, here we go. Oh no! The weather station! The weather station! Oh no! Power's out! Oh no! Okay, I missed. And I'm stuck because I don't want to move. Holy sheep. Holy sheep! What kind of word is that? Yeah, my car is stuck. Lovely. Oh, that's why I'm deployed. There we go. Oh, God. So, yeah, that's happened. Oh, that house. That house. And I just did a little trick. That house got demolished. That is like what, an EF4 or an EF3? No, that's an EF4. EF4s do that. 112 miles per hour. Actually, what's wind speed? Oh, no power. That's fine. Wait, no, I got 112. Actually, no, I don't think even intercepting this is going to be an idea anymore because it's so big. My car keeps freaking out. And now I don't know where it's gone. It's somewhere here. Oh, I see it. I don't know why low logs just cause you to do that. It's just really small. I think big logs should do that instead of this. Oh, it's coming. Anchor. Here we go. We might get clipped. Nope. Don't get that. What's wind speed? Oh, damn. Oh, 135! 135. 136. 129. Someone just went. Oh my god. Oh. You guys saw that, right? Oh. Oh my god, people are getting flung. Let's go in a tip. Let's see what happens. You're fine in the tip. Oh, never mind. You're not fine in the tip. Oh god. Ah! Anchor. I can't anchor. Ah! I'm stuck. Help. Ah! I'm stuck in the tornado. There we go. Close to an EF4. No, it is an EF4. It's literally an EF4. God, it's so laggy, I can't drive. Same. Oh no, it hit the weather tower. No, Wakefield. Ah! Anchor. Oh my god, do not go in. Someone said do not go in. I can go in. Oh! I see tons of debris. Stop. No. Oh my god, a piece of roof. Ah! Oh, that's too close. Yeah, don't do that. I am a storm chaser. Yeah, storm chase and die. That's what's gonna happen. I might want to not go for that. It could literally just bounce back all that way. We are going to die. We're going to die. Get in. Get in Tiv. 2 minutes. Okay. Ow. Okay, so they went in. It depends if you're smart enough to survive. What's this stuff? Where we placed? Okay, that shut up quick. Why are we flipping? Because you're going too close to the tornado, that's why. 107 miles per hour. Whoa, the winds. Yeah, the winds are very bad. Let's anchor. Did you see the group chat? What? Group chat? I just being tossed around. No, I don't check chats. Oh well, I don't know what the heck I was talking about. I said group chat. Well. Oh god. Yeah, I'm gonna intercept this tornado one last time. And I'm gonna end the video here. Why did you keep ignoring me while trying to have fun and your friends? Confusion. Yeah, this will be the last intercept because the video's getting very long now. I've intercepted quite a bit. It's going to turn into a water spout. It doesn't turn into a water spout. It bounces off the shore parts, like the the shore, where the beach is. Okay. Oh, we might hit 100. Oh god, it's staying in the 90s. Oh god, no, I know this game destroy 96 miles per hour. Oh, I can. Oh yeah, I can do it. Oh well, yeah, I can be the tornado. And cause carnage, which I like. Anyway, so I think we're gonna end off, guys, here because that. Yep, and it's in house. So yeah, we're gonna end off here now. Hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, bye. Bye guys. See you.